In the world of superfoods, one plant stands out as a true miracle of nature. It's called Moringa oleifera, often referred to simply as moringa. This remarkable tree has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's native to parts of Africa and Asia. Today, it's gaining global recognition for its incredible health benefits. Moringa is not just another trendy health food. It's a nutritional powerhouse backed by science. Every part of the moringa tree is useful. The leaves, pods, seeds, flowers, even the bark and roots have nutritional value. This makes it a versatile addition to any diet. From boosting immunity to aiding digestion, from increasing energy to fighting inflammation, moringa offers a wide range of health benefits. We'll explore these benefits in detail and see why moringa deserves a place in your daily diet. When we talk about moringa's nutritional profile, we're talking about a true powerhouse. This humble plant packs a punch when it comes to essential nutrients. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin A, crucial for eye health and immune function. They also contain significant amounts of vitamin C, an important antioxidant. Moringa is a great source of B vitamins, including B1, B2, B3, and B6, essential for energy production and brain function. It also contains vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant. Moringa is rich in calcium, vital for bone health, and contains more calcium per gram than most dairy products. Iron is another mineral found in abundance in moringa, crucial for the production of hemoglobin. Moringa leaves contain more iron than spinach, making it excellent for preventing anemia. Moringa is also a good source of magnesium, important for muscle and nerve function. Moringa leaves contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. This is particularly valuable for vegetarians and vegans. This combination of nutrients makes moringa a true nutritional powerhouse. One of the most significant health benefits of moringa comes from its powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that fight free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells. They contribute to aging and many diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help protect our health. Moringa is rich in several types of antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid. Studies have shown that moringa leaf extract has higher antioxidant activity than many fruits and vegetables. One study found that women who took 1.5 teaspoons of moringa leaf powder every day for 3 months increased their blood antioxidant levels significantly. The antioxidant properties of moringa have wide-ranging health benefits. They may help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. They can also support brain health and slow the aging process. By including moringa in your diet, you're giving your body a powerful tool to fight oxidative stress. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. This is where moringa shines as a natural immune booster. The immune system is our body's defense against infections and diseases. Moringa supports this system in multiple ways. It's rich in nutrients essential for immune function, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc. Vitamin C stimulates the production and function of white blood cells. Moringa leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene in moringa, helps maintain the health of our skin and mucous membranes. Zinc plays a role in the development and function of immune cells. Studies have shown that moringa has antimicrobial properties, helping fight off harmful bacteria and fungi. One study found that moringa leaf extract was effective against several types of bacteria, including E. coli and S. aureus. These properties, combined with its nutrient content, make moringa a powerful ally in maintaining a strong immune system. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall wellness. Moringa plays a significant role in promoting gut health and aiding digestion. One of the key ways moringa supports digestive health is through its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also feeds the beneficial bacteria in our gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Moringa leaves contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, helping it move through the digestive tract more easily. Together, these types of fiber contribute to a healthy digestive system. Moringa also contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Chronic inflammation in the gut can lead to various digestive disorders. By reducing this inflammation, moringa may help prevent or alleviate conditions like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. The combination of fiber, anti-inflammatory C, in our fast-paced world, many of us struggle with low energy levels. Moringa offers a natural solution to this common problem. Unlike caffeine or sugar, which provide a quick but short-lived energy boost, Moringa provides sustainable energy. This is due to its unique combination of nutrients. Moringa is rich in B vitamins, which play a crucial role in energy production at the cellular level. They help convert the food we eat into usable energy. B vitamins are also important for brain function and mood regulation. Iron is another key nutrient in Moringa that contributes to energy levels. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in our blood. When we're low in iron, we can feel tired and weak. Moringa leaves are a rich source of iron, helping prevent iron deficiency anemia. By helping to stabilize blood sugar, Moringa can contribute to more consistent energy levels. Compounds and mild laxative effects makes Moringa a natural and effective way to support digestive health. While traditional medicine has long recognized the benefits of Moringa, modern science is now catching up. Numerous scientific studies validate the health claims of this miracle tree. Studies show Moringa reduces blood sugar levels. Research confirms Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa also has anti-cancer properties. Studies support Moringa's heart health benefits. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. The good news is that many heart problems can be prevented or managed through diet and lifestyle changes. Moringa emerges as a powerful ally in maintaining cardiovascular health. Its unique combination of nutrients and bioactive compounds contribute to heart health in multiple ways. One of the primary ways Moringa supports heart health is by helping to lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. Moringa contains beta-sitosterol, a plant compound known to reduce cholesterol absorption in the intestines. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that Moringa leaf extract significantly reduced cholesterol levels in rats with high-fat diets. Moringa also has potential benefits for blood pressure management. Hypertension or high blood pressure is another major risk factor for heart disease. Moringa leaves are rich in potassium, a mineral known to help lower blood pressure. The antioxidants in Moringa play a crucial role in heart health by neutralizing free radicals. Inflammation is a natural process in the body. It's part of our immune response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems. These include heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Moringa has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These make it a valuable tool in combating chronic diseases. The anti-inflammatory effects of Moringa come from its rich content of antioxidants and bioactive compounds. These include flavonoids, phenolic acids, and isothiocyanates. These compounds work together to reduce inflammation in the body. One of the key anti-inflammatory compounds in Moringa is quercetin, a flavonoid known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects. By providing a good source of quercetin, Moringa can help combat conditions like arthritis, asthma, and allergies. The anti-inflammatory properties of Moringa are particularly promising for arthritis management. As we've explored throughout this essay, Moringa truly deserves its title as a miracle tree. From its rich nutritional profile to its wide-ranging health benefits, Moringa offers a natural and powerful way to support overall wellness. It's not just a superfood, it's a super plant that can benefit nearly every system in our body. By incorporating Moringa into our daily diet, we can tap into nature's pharmacy and enhance our health in multiple ways. We've seen how Moringa can boost our immune system, providing essential nutrients and antimicrobial compounds to keep us healthy. We've explored its benefits for digestion, from promoting regular bowel movements to reducing inflammation in the gut. We've learned about its energy-boosting properties, offering a natural and sustainable way to stay vibrant throughout the day. And we've delved into the scientific studies that validate these benefits, providing concrete evidence for Moringa's health-promoting effects. Moreover, we've discovered Moringa's potential in managing chronic diseases. Its heart-protective and anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable addition to any diet. Embrace Moringa for a healthier, more vibrant life.